Hi Boomers, back here at the workshop. We are here to fix a bit of some problems with the table saw area. Maybe chamfer the edge here so the material doesn't get stuck. As you can see, it comes down, boom. So I'll show you, there's a couple of problems here. I'll have a look at it now. Okay, so I'm going to show you one of the problems of area. Is when you put this here, you can see there's this tiny gap here maybe. I'm not sure if you can see that. So you can see my finger beneath so there's a tiny gap here. So that meaning this side here is a I mean, this it goes in a bow, basically. And I've been looking at this and definitely this side here is a bit higher than the rest of the table. I'm not so sure about this corner, faraway corner here. But I'm gonna first of all I'm going to correct this side and see if that helps the problem a lot, or helps the problem in at all. Because if I shorten one of the pieces of wood here, it should come down a bit. But then you have this corner here. Also, is not such a big problem because the gap here is not as high. So I'm hoping by fixing this, it will lessen the problem here. If so, I have to, there's a bit more, it'll take a bit more to fix this corner. And I don't think I can do that today. And anyway, back to this part here. You can see also here, this part here also goes up because I made it to go, the table saw is nearly angled on this. It's nearly angled at this, so it's tilting downwards here. So if I take it down here and a slight up here, it should stop the pieces from hitting this edge here. It's just a slight millimeter or two that should do it. So let's get to first of all fix this corner, and then we will go to changing the height of the table saw, and also we have to calibrate the table saw, making sure it's square, and all the dimension things here have to be recalibrated because of my new fence. So that's today's work. Let's get to it. It's a lot better. I mean, there's a bow. The whole way there's a bow. But I'm just, okay, the whole table has a bow in it. Okay. As you can see, I have the gap here is a lot smaller, but if I pull it all the way here, there's a gap here, so it means there's a bow in the whole table all the way. So yeah, but I just have to concentrate on the table saw area. I just have to keep in mind that there's a bow in the table, and now lowering this end should flatten it out and maybe not make it dip that much, so actually material won't catch at the end here. So that's what I'm going to do, is take off the plate here. I have some I don't know, spacings underneath it, and see if I can lower it here without higher. I don't think I need to make it higher on this end, but we'll see. As you can see here now, it's not catching when I'm moving it. If I'm pushing down here, it's catching. See if I can get some. How it would be if I was using plywood. Let's see. Let's do a plywood test. So it's catching. Catch. Still too high on this end. What do I do? Okay, boomers, I've calibrated the table saw, and now material won't catch when sliding off it, so that's perfect. And then there's not much I can do with the bend in the table, or the bow in the table. That end over there is a bit much higher, or everything else is fairly even, it's just there's a slight bow in it. So that's a future Jens problem. So yeah, anyway, cutting the piece of wood, as you can see, it was I put it on 15 centimeters, and it was down to 15 on the millimeter. I'm like, okay, that's good, that's very good. So I'm very happy with that. Anyway, so next time I think I'll be installing the router lift there. That'll be interesting. Even though even though that end is a bit high, maybe I have to fix that end before I do it. Nah, that won't be fun. Then everything will be, I can't play the tools, I have to blame myself. Okay, so boomers, keep on booming, and remember, boomers unite.